Welcome, today I'm showing how to change icon shape into your Vivo V23. Firstly, open your Play Store and in search write X icon, change your application. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now click open. Now need to choose your application from the list, maybe Brawl Stars, Vivo nice, and from the library choose your icon, maybe here and this one. Okay, so choose your icon and in the top right corner we got OK button, tap it and wait a second for generating of new icon. Now close ads and one more time. And one more. Okay, here we got messages add automatically to home screen, tap it, got success message, and here we got our new icon of Brawl Stars. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.